by while this early morning. Once again I'd see my little country town. It's been a long time when I was a child here, and it seems my memories let me down. As I stroll down the street I pass the chapel where the country bells of women used to know, and the man who's playing on the organ played a song my mother used to sing. I fly away, oh glory, I fly away. When I die, hallelujah, by and by, I fly away. Once again I went inside that little chapel, and a million memories ran through my mind. I could see them gather round the table when the preacher dealt the bread at supper time. And I recall the sacred stories of the Bible, and the choir is singing till we meet again, and the man still playing on the organ. Fly away, that sweet familiar hymn.